Spoon, and today I'm excited to show you one of my favorite recipes from way back when my husband and I first got married. And I don't know why I haven't made this that often, but I am pulling it out of the archives and sharing it with you today. So I'm going to be making a strawberry cream parfait. It is cream cheese, a little orange juice, Nilla crackers or vanilla wafers, and fresh strawberries. Perfect for the summer and Easter coming up. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to start with is crushing the Nilla crackers. I use Nilla just because they're the ones that are most commonly found in my grocery store, but any vanilla wafer will do, or cookie if you really want. So we're just going to do that. I have a Blendtec blender. I'm not selling, I'm not a sponsor of them, but I find that it's like super powerful. I never have any trouble with it, so I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to throw the wafers in there. There's 10 of them. I'm going to put the lid on. Make sure to do that or you're going to have a mess. You can certainly use a smaller blender if you have one, and if you do, I would use it. Either that, or if you don't have a blender at all, you can put it into a Ziploc or a plastic bag and just crush it with the back of a spoon or your rolling pin or anything like that. So anything works. I'm going to take these out. I'm going to put them inside of just a small bowl. I've got 2 teaspoons of melted butter, so I'm going to throw that in there. Just use a spoon or a fork. Mix those up. You want them just to be, they're still dry because you're going to be putting them in the oven at 350 just to let them kind of brown and just get like good flavor. So that's it. Now I'm going to, I have a, this is my air fryer. I have, this is my air fryer tray. You can use certainly an oven tray, just line it with parchment. I'm just going to throw these on. And then it's just, can't see me, but I'm going to spread it out just a little evenly. I have the oven set to 350 degrees. My toaster oven set to 350 degrees, so we're just going to take this and then we're going to bake it till they're brown. So just be about 5-6 minutes, not too long. So now I'm going to just make the actual filling, which is the cream cheese filling and has a little bit of orange juice. It's really, really good. So cream cheese, sugar, orange juice. I'm using a little bit of Cointreau. You don't have to, but I'm going to. I don't mind a little bit in my desserts. If you don't have Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur of any kind, triple sec works just as well. Put that in. Just a little bit of milk. Add in some milk. And then just beat until it's smooth. It might have a little lumps in it, but that's not a big deal. Just keep blending until you can get it as smooth as possible. Then chop up some strawberries, take the tops off, make sure they're really well washed before you do this. And I like to chop up about a quart, but you can use as many as you want, or if you want to use different berries, you can do that too. So then we're going to fill the cup with a little bit of cream cheese mixture, some strawberries. You can put some cookie crumble in there, a little bit more cream cheese mixture, more strawberries, or you can use any berry you want. Then we're going to put a little bit more cream cheese on top, top it with some cookie crumble, and then you can put a nice fat cookie on top. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you really do enjoy this recipe with your friends and family, or even just yourself. If you're looking for more great recipes, please do visit me on The Delicious Spoon on Instagram or thedeliciousspoon.com, which is my blog for lots of great dinner recipes. I make mostly healthy recipes with a few sinful treats like this, but really it's not that bad. So enjoy, and I hope to see you again soon.